Hello everyone, this is Mumbai. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing great. So today, to where I'm going is that my friends and all won't join it, but I'm going solo today. So I'm taking my car, but not till the destination, because there I researched that there is no parking available. So I'll be parking this car in the nearby my friend's place. So hope I'll catch you after I reach to that place and take another mode of transport. Stay tuned till the video. अभी जस्ट रिक्शा में गाड़ी पार्क करके रिक्शा में बैठा हूँ, जस्ट वेटिंग टू रीच टू द डेस्टिनेशन बिकॉज देयर पार्किंग इज़ नॉट एक्चुअली अवेलेबल एंड ऑल. एंड दिस इज़ माई न्यू सनग्लासेस विच आई recently purchased. It's very nice and feeling very nice for the eyes too. Not paid promotions for anyone. So we'll see some shots until we reach to our destination. मैं अभी अपना डेस्टिनेशन में पहुंच चुका हूँ. आज का डेस्टिनेशन है जोगेश्वरी केव्स. सो हियर एज यू कैन सी दिस द हिस्ट्रीज ऑफ द केव्स. You can, there are in 3 languages, that is English, Marathi and Hindi. So I'll change the screen. I'll record this part and you can pause it and read this if you want to read this the histories. So before showing you the entrance and all, let me say a short history of it. So this cave is around 1500 years old caves, and first it was a Buddhist caves, but later on it was taken over by the Hindus, and later on this caves has 4 temples. That is one Lord Ganesha, second Lord Shiva, the third one is Hanumanji, and the fourth is Jogeshwari Mata. So let me show you some entrance cinematic videos, not a cinematic, just a short, so that you'll definitely enjoy this show.
Take me where you go when the sun goes down.
Now I'm going to enter the caves. I know it will be little dark and I'm really afraid of going anywhere, but for you guys it's really fun, and today I'm really alone, so because of that I don't know my screen it's seen or not, but I'm going to definitely enjoy this Gupha and all. Today is going to exploring day of the Gupha. Let me first find the way and I'll catch you guys. So just behind of me is an murti of Jogeshwari Mata, and related to it I want to tell you one thing is that, so here one station is the Jogeshwari station. In getting by this only name, they put the station name as Jogeshwari station. Just behind of me is the murti of Ganeshji. So now I'm going to take a shots which you're going to definitely love it. So stay tuned for the next footage. Just behind of me is the murti of Shivji, is the temple of Shivji. Then so you'll see some amazing shots of it, so stay tuned for the next footage. So now you're going to enjoy some shots of this cave. So do enjoy this cave shot and give a like for this, guys. आई होप आपको शॉट्स अच्छा लगा केव्स का. सो नाउ we are going to watch Hanumanji's temple. So yeah, then again going inside the part. Actually I misappropriated, and again sorry for the dark footage because your lighting effect is a little low and have to be careful because your little weight it is there, and the rocks can be little slippery. Because of that, slowly I'm getting into it. So once I get into another side, I'll catch you guys because here it's getting more and more dark, so my footage won't be available. So yeah, because of that some lights, tube lights and all, you can see the little brightness, otherwise it would be full dark. So I'll catch you after some time. For the darshan of Hanumanji, first we have to cross this water crossing, so I'll be crossing after some time. So once I'll cross there, I'll catch you guys. I have crossed this pond now, so I have to enter to inside where Hanumanji's murti is there. So let's go inside and let's explore where's Hanumanji. Light focus is little different because of the caves inside. Please adjust in this video, guys. So now entered to Hanumanji's temple. So here we found Hanumanji's temple. I'll take a shot and you'll definitely enjoy it.
When the stars align with a certain mind, you can read the lines and you shall find a universal law, just one of a kind. Look up to the sky, let yourself unwind. Hey now, it's passing so fast that you'll miss it.
It's time to say goodbye to this amazing caves. So that's it with today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down your thoughts regarding this video. And if you haven't watched my last week vlog, that is poet dance vlog, there will be a recommendation in the I button in top here. And if you haven't followed me on any of my social media handles, do follow me on my social media handle. These are the IDs of my social media handles. And so to go to the caves, there will be address in the description box below. Do check out that also, and do visit JOGESHWARI caves if you haven't visited. And it's a new tourist spot too. Means it's an old one, but no one has still now explored it, so you can do explore that caves also. And I'll catch you in my next vlog. Till then, stay happy, spread happiness, and do whatever makes you happy, and stay healthy, guys. And one more thing, if you are planning to travel to JOGESHWARI caves, then do not travel solo. Means you can travel solo, there is no problem to solo travel. Then also it's recommendable to travel with 2 persons at least, so that you will also feel nicely and your photographs and all will also come nicely. I know the selfies and all are also that. Then also just take your friends or any family members or anyone to that cave, because sometimes it be so dark that you can feel a little afraid of it. So do take your friends or family members or anyone. So thank you so much, guys, for watching till here.